Greetings, Southern Cameroonians. Make we do just good. Please click share. I don't get plenty time for day on live. I don't get plenty much time, and in about an hour, 10 minutes or so to Chris go day live. So we not get time. Hi, mama. So maybe we do click share. You see, these are the things then we when I hear me praying, I come out at the hammer. Certain things, and sometimes people they say I hate some people for this revolution. Yeah. Good day. I'll be happy to say the interim government President Sarko don't move a new appointees them where they could join for work for the interim government. Yeah, why I come late? I be the with me Caroline Mala. He finished a live show, and I be the full. And what an interesting live show where my able female general Caroline Mala be the do. Now why that be the wait make it finish, because now the spirit that way we activists we did. Despite say I get something very important where I get for talk, but we get for respect other activists when they live. So now why that would it come small late? So may we build the audience very quick. Southern Cameroonian, but don't tell when I say if when I see some people that they give up for this revolution, now we say be our cause. Yeah. If when I see any person in the fully arms, he leave the revolution. No say now we so some of we now who the cause am. We don't talk for this revolution. Say if I make all Monday under a county and LGA. Now being under a county and LGA, it not still give you right. Say when you go under county and LGA, you go to do things the way we don't deny groups them for do. Yeah. When you dey under your county and LGA, if you want to go under for work under, you get for do not things the way it benefit the revolution. Benefit the revolution in the sense, say, if you dey under your county and LGA, you must make sure say your first priority as a restoration fighter for this revolution, not be for torture with your people. Your first priority as a restoration fighter for the ground is not to torture our own. Yes. And before I go even the camp for the matter proper, I go advise everyone, if you are a Southern Cameroonian, we not say this war wouldn't have for war, but this war not be we will declare the war for ourselves. Hi everyone as you're joining. Let's build the audience. Not be we will declare the war for ourselves. Una see and I'm being Vondo, Paul B and I be declare this war for we. No be we be declaring. Now, if you be a Southern Cameroonian where you know say you work for government office, where you work for government, you get to be very careful on your role where you play. Because if you did do and not say, they will you go enter something and you sabi. But the two I go to talk today, you don't get for do whether a Southern Cameroonian, if you be restoration fighter or you be now whoever, where you do your job, I want to give this one as a general for restoration fighters. When you hold your own brother when a Southern Cameroonian, you, no matter how you treat it, you get for no say first, it blood, now your own blood. When you are a restoration fighter, you hold your own brother when a Southern Cameroonian, where he come out, he placenta, he be buried for that land. In any part of Southern Cameroon, before you want to do anything, first of all, you get for think, say, na Southern Cameroonian. This is not the main issue, because if you look at we fight this war not before give our people pain. We fight this war not forgive our people them a sense of reasoning say Southern Cameroon go be great more than the hell will a republic they put we inside. Now, when you go hold your own brother, yes, where it do wrong, maybe you deal with it even past the enemy, because man will not lie. La Republic they feel free for inside we look mountain race be happen. People, they like military people, they turn around. Nobody say when I know you do good job. But when you hold your own, you know realize and say na your own, You torture your own to some extent. Now, I go to come strongly on the kidnap of that woman with the kidnapping, because I know say when I go see some video, they go come out small time. Maybe some of you not already see the video. Yes. Maybe some of you go don't see the video where go don't come out. I come out make I clear the air for una very, very well. And this not the reason where me had always talk and before. Say the IEG get for take over, because if you hear the money where they collect them for that woman, now Southern Cameroonian, if you ask and say the IEG know about that money, no. Yeah, if you ask and say the IEG know about that money, no. And if Fako County know about the money, no. This now one of the most different kind kidnapping where be don't happen for Fako before una see me rise up. This now one of the different Adamut is a power prince. Watch out for. No, forget about them. This now the one of the different kind kidnappings where it be done the happen. Where una see me prince arise up. Because it be very easy. It be very easy for the enemy for use we are own for destroy this revolution. It be very easy. It be very easy. If you go around, you the kidnap now we are on the way La Republic, they do business. La Republic, they feel free inside we are territory. You turn you the kidnap their own brother. Even if you know the support the revolution, you no get right for kidnap a Southern Cameroonian, except those in the parliament. That is the truth. Except the parliamentarians, the DOs. You don't have the right to kidnap a Southern Cameroonian. You don't have the right. Except say a member of parliament, na governor, na DO, na somebody where he get a colonial rule where he play. But if somebody they where he no get a colonial rule, you see where he do something, you go give you warning. You no get right for use cutlass, for use blade. You no get right to use any instrument of torture. Only the bush where you go take it go first, na torture. When you go sit down for that bush where that mosquito the bite na that same bush where they na torture. There are many ways you fit torture your own. We get for learn. You see in La Republic. When I look what they do Mendoza for prison, you go see and say the treatment where they give those them from La Republic and we are brothers the way they jail. Now two different kind of treatment. You see we are brother, he die with handcuff for hand. But now Mendoza that people they push Mendoza a picture for up. But Southern Cameroonians they die with handcuff. It take you say La Republic, despite how they don't thief we, they teach their own. They show their own love, even in the midst of how much they don't thief them. If we want to do our own, we get for do our own love with love too. We get for we not encourage no Southern Cameroonian. This is my message. I not encourage you. May you be black leg like Susie Spark or Conda Titus. I not encourage you. Yeah, I not encourage you for be a black leg, but I come out today first for distance ourselves as Fako County. I come out today as a spokesman of Fako County for distance we ourselves from the kidnapping of that CRTV journalist. A video they were out. I began to put the video out, but thank God to the security team of Fako. I began to put the video out here. And the video, it show how they torture the woman very, very badly. They torture the woman. I began to come like a merciful truth show where I go put out evidence they make una see. And I they meant in this way, I be done the talk and before. Say, Fombat, you know the control Fako and why we call every song. But people no be they understand. That the main things in this. But they try to work out, they talk with the woman for give details on people where they take key. From the video where they for outside, when I go see and say they arrest the woman for a corner. For a corner where they arrest the woman. For the video where they did. When I go see them for the video, they arrest the woman then for a corner, it then for bush. They give the woman wound for a back, this thing, for a back arm here. And then they torture the woman, say, make the woman give money. We, the people of Fako County, we the distance we ourselves from that act. Because I know say very, very well, tomorrow, small time when I go see my country people, it go come out with that video. That video, na a video where if a Saudi Cameroonian Siam, despite say that woman they work for CRTV. Despite say we don't ban CRTV for inside Saudi Cameroon. Despite say we don't want the fake media, but there is one thing, she's a Saudi Cameroonian. Yes, she's a Saudi Cameroonian. And the main thing that this one see me prince, I be done the come out since. Because people that they for ground, they make millions on top the blood of the innocent one, the way they don't die. For the video, when I go see the woman, is situation where they dey. It's a one way. If that video get for come outside, if people them, my country people, they get for hold that video with Cameroon government, they go and destroy our revolution. So we, the people of Fako County, we distance ourselves from that. We don't touch our own. When I don't see me for the past days, the past months, I don't come here and I don't be the shout, say me they will replace Bishop John. Now because of such kinds of things. Because I be the first say as the Secretary of Defense day, and with the things that we don't talk before about the former security chief, with such an image, it will really destabilize many people whether they support this revolution. With the support this revolution, not for put our people there for inside torture, but for give our people a better life, a better tomorrow. Because play where we dey fine. Play where we feel work, we feel support the revolution. But una wanna dey for ground, una salary for one day, una salary for 1 month, I mean, it's not even up to $100. So, I call on everyone as they share the video. The video na go see out there, and I be wishing this phone word use and the video for they have shown at the video. For the video, I go describe the video so that all una go know when una see the video. They tie the woman in eye with pieces. Then one man there for back. It show knife for camera. It show knife so. They tell the woman, if people say, una give money, una give money, una give money. Then the woman they cry. It tell the master, say make the master pay, make the master pay. For the video, they there for bush. Then the woman talks, say the holding for a corner. Would he try to find out now? So the Fako security team and the chairman of Fako, the Fako security team and everyone, would he find out for get the rightful details? Because when I remember say, I no one call names here. When the evidence don't be clear out. But when the evidence don't be clear out, the people the way my mind they go for, I go call their name for you direct. Yes. Once all the details don't be sorted out, everything don't be sorted out, the people where they collect that money, if not the same people where they be attack that chief, where be die, collect that chief money, I go still come out here, can't come. Iroko say we have seen the video. Good. So we want to know the images, people where they there for bad day. Because if not for a corner, two things not for day. I don't want to give hasty conclusion here. But if not for a corner, it be very, very clear enough for one direction it go. Man not make conclusion. Make the first finish the investigation. Man not call someone in name negatively. May they not talk say, hey, Prince Jeka go talk now we are name. Go talk now this. Go call now we are name. But if not for a corner, I go see come here can call the names them for people them where they do that act. And such act and such video, if it destroy our revolution. And the thing that this one I see why from the day one of this revolution, I Prince Jeka don't stand against ADF. I don't stand against ADF. I don't stand against all other groups, those minority free armed robbery groups in the ground. People where they be doing an armed robber for inside Saudi Cameroon, where they don't know how to make money, where they not thief their own people. Where they want go form defense for back. Yes. People where they don't be a thief people, armed robber. Where they don't even know how to leave their own people, then go find money for some other sides. They don't come for inside diaspora quick. They want to start make money now for back. Now they mention this one as me and stand against group. And I be very happy say, my talk for the IG, the president don't wake up, they don't adjust We get now a war council. And the war council, I pray God say, may the war council work hard on the ground, because this war will the fight. It's not enough for diaspora. This war will the fight. It's enough for ground zero. And the greatest target of La Republique, now for make sure say, our people on the ground, they lose the interest in this revolution. That is one thing you must know. All those, the way they don't collect money for ground, their main job, not be diaspora. Their main job, now say, make we are people where they support this revolution for ground, make they give up. So you where you there for diaspora, or you where you there for inside this revolution under your county, you get forget this at the back of your mind. Why this revolution they go on today? Now because of say, out of 100%, at least 80% of people for ground zero, they want to make the revolution, it go further. So if we continue for the give such groups them, this small dirty groups them for thieves, where they go kidnap our people, they take ransom. Imagine the amount of money where the people they for ground they don't kidnap. If that money will be well coordinated, you not think say we go need everything for this revolution to work. Imagine if the money where people, any man the week for ground do this, do that. If it be say that money be there well coordinated. Imagine what if we do. But as I don't talk before, we, the people of Fako, we distance ourselves from that video with the outside. That video where that woman, whether na CRTV, whether na whatever, where they be the torture for that bush, where they use knife, they give cut for a back, they give wound for a back, I don't know, whether na with that knife they use them. Then they show the knife, they move the woman, the clothes, they show the knife, make him master see him. And then they talk, say, may they give money for inside Fako. We, the people of Fako, we distance ourselves from it 1 billion times. And I go to come here for merciful truth. Because now for they will not go know why me Prince, I be wake up, talk, say, there is no group like Fako Action and the others. Yes. Now why that one I go know why? Because from when the evidence go come out, and me already, before they went to do the evidence, I don't already know who they do the job. But I don't want to conclude. Yes. Before even the evidence one come, I don't already tell chairman of a course, chairman say, me, I know the job. People will do the job because not be today where it don't start. Before me, Prince, I be one rise up, talk, say, make things change for Fako. Now, because I don't hear several complaints of kidnapping. For take money for the woman, where they work for CRTV. Whatever. You want to take the IG know, the government know, the county know. These are the things that we will get for the acts. Kind millions that they pass for ground. But people there for year will need money. They want get money for do better things for the revolution. We know the know. 40 million, you go hear 40 million for this site. You hear 90 million for this site. Nothing. Just imagine the other money will be coordinated. I pray God say as an IG don't bring up a National Defense Council. They go wake up straighten things because I be don't talk for this my live show. I say if self-defense for ground be well coordinated, money for this revolution not go be a problem. Now, whether you see plenty people, they don't want to go under their county. Plenty people, they don't want to go under their county because they want to make their banks they feel. Just like how that girl, Adama, be talk for you. Say, after war, people, they be milliardaire. Plenty people, they don't want to go under their county because they want to continue to cause havoc. They torment others for ground. They collect money. But I be don't talk am. I be don't already tell the Fako security team. When we go know the people where they do this one, despite say we no want CRTV for inside Southern Cameroon, we go come for the people them direct. Because we no go watch some particular people, they turn some Southern Cameroonians against their destiny when a freedom. We cannot watch that. We not even watch some particular people where they don't already make their own life. Then they the one turn because of say they don't want to be under county. If you don't want to be under county and LGA, If you don't want she done, then go give your house for mortgage. You use your money for your house. You fight the war. I be talk that one for ADF. If Ayabacho and the others, they don't say they no one fight under county. They no one come under. As we talked before, if not be now way, all evidence don't show say that they work with la Republic, waiting for them to come under with the fear. I be don't talk say, if they no one come, no, may they go mortgage their house. Because nobody for diaspora fee mortgage your house. If you cannot mortgage your house to fight for the revolution, then don't destroy the hopes of Southern Cameroonian people. And before I go for this side, if you work for CRTV, I want to tell all the journalists, we then are for war. Especially those the way that they work for Guardian Post. This person are the amber for this woman. But this woman, he get right for pay what he pay. Because CRTV for this war, it never be on our side. And CRTV don't be banned. Yes. At the talk concerning this woman, now because of say this woman are Southern Cameroon. If not la Republic person where they be torture so journalists and not for talk. Because he not take permission from the FACO Security Council for go inside FACO or for go work for CRTV. Why are they talk this concerning that journalist where she was rough handled? Now because of say her placenta, her birthright is a Southern Cameroonian. This person they work for the colonial CRTV. But I believe say go don't serve a warning. Yeah, because even no with the distance with yourself for find out who they do the job. But he go don't get his own bitter taste from that bush where he did it. And for all the other journalists then, especially those of that Guardian Post where they give dirty information concerning a revolution, I don't tell una all. Most of una wanna be journalists. We like journalism. Journalism is about truth. Watch Christian Amanpour. He go right for the bush. He go bring out credible information. But most of una journalists them for ground, una don't fear now because of the way where Wazizi take a loss. Of the way where the other journalists that they take and die. Una don't fear now for give information. So if you fear for give information, at this point in time of war, you can take a back seat, you resign, you sit down, you quiet. And they give this information to journalists. Take it very clear from me. Because most of una don't know where to, what eyes don't see. Yes. This time we are distancing ourselves from that video why the FACO security team, the chairman, is busy carrying out investigations to get the face behind those that atrocity that was committed in FACO and in Ikona. I tell una journalists, we know una hands be tied up. Even the Mimi Mefo, if not be who be fight for this revolution, if for surely the New Bell prison so today. Sometimes he the Mimi Mefo too, where he the one give bad name to our revolution. Sometimes it for disappear le Wazizi. But thanks to this Southern Cameroon, that's why they say people these journalists, some of una don't know to appreciate the hand we help una. If not be this revolution, sometimes Mimi Mefo too for disappear le Wazizi. So we not say most of una wanna there for ground journalists. Una hands they be tied. If your hands be tight and you love yourself, better find another profession start do for this time. I beg you. Don't be in the middle of arrows. Don't be in the middle of pain because you, una journalist, una never see how that picking they bury their own. If you see play where they don't bury, if you see places where don't mark graves, where after this revolution, now for they will go move and back, forgive befitting burial for our own. Then you as a journalist, you get to be very careful. I don't tell una say before you see me as stand an uncompromised activist for this revolution, I know they care about views or whoever. Now because my eyes have seen many things. And as a young man, where I know how suffer they for ground, I know the anger where they for some of that picking their hearts. I know the anger. I don't ask some of una, all these journalists, they want to go around like they want for Guardian Post. We want to mix information because we want to favor a government where they declare war on our own. Just like how Dieudonné is somebody talk. If this thing be starts, the Bia government be realize and say, we'll be join this union as equal people. Enough for reach for this level. But for the fact say, the see we like say will not join as equal people in status and equal people in rights, they decide for use gun. Many pikin, they don't bury their own. Just watch them as Mimi for them for online, they cry for Wazizi. Ask yourself, say, about how many of the corpses, especially for Moyuka and the other places, where pikin, they double their brothers on top plan, bury them. Just as una journalists, una there for out there, una they cry, oh, liberate Wazizi, liberate Paul, did this and that. That pikin, they know they cry and cry their own, they bury na bury. So if you know the pain where they carry for their heart, no play. This power will stand against certain things the way they do. Because thieves, they don't mix two inside the things. Thieves, they don't mix. This person will distance ourselves from certain things, but they tell una journalists this. Make una be very careful. Be very careful. I believe say for this war, people where they don't talk truth, where even the restoration fighters, then they see them, they go honor them like Equinox. Equinox at a certain stance, it don't be elitable, equitable for speaking the truth. But if you do work for things like Guardian Post, if you do work for newspaper, things like CRTV, where you don't give partial information for destroy the image of this speaking them when they're young like you, they like you. Because you will go report. How old are you? You are youth. How old are you? The beginning where they fight, they like you now in between the age of 18 or 19 to 40 or 41. They're all youths. Imagine, say if you there for Bush, you fight, some man, they take your image because of say you want making news for get money. It carry you, it paint you bad. It tell you say no, you do this way you know they do. Well, you know very, very well as a journalist, say La Republique, in military, they plenty and civil for outside. Where some of them, they turn from daytime, they wear military clothes. For night, they wear civilian clothes. They go commit atrocities. Where you as a journalist, you know very well. Say, videos, kind by kind videos don't come out where military, they thief goats. Military, they go broke houses, enter bar, take people their things. If you know so, then you as a journalist, you have to be very careful on what you talk outside. Yeah, you have to be very careful. So as of now, I'm very constructive. You are the block here. As of now, we the people of Fako, we distance ourselves from that torture for that woman. Just like how Secretary Chris be done the talk. If we know the people where we do them, I go come outside here, can call their name. I know the waste time. I don't want to conclude. Yeah. Because before we want come up for Fako, for can't stand, for even for start attack, talk things, I be don't ready to point fingers for people the way they be don't destroy Fako's name. But most of them, they not the one accept. So I don't already give my direction for play with the investigation, get for go. I don't already talk for chairman of Fako and the security team, the chief. Play with me, I already think. Because the group, we don't do 1, 2, 3. Before me, I can't say a lie. The group, we don't do things. Yeah, and I not go mix my voice. I go sit to come. I hope say not be Fako Action Forces. Because if not them, I go broke them. I know they mix my voice. Of Sagat. I know they mix them. I go talk them for you. I hope say not be them. I hope. I hope say from my other videos, they don't repent. Because they can't show back rise. Say, nah, then go take. I hope say no be them. Because if not them, me, I no go waste my time. I be don't take that security principles. If you are a restoration fighter, where you go take money for Southern Cameroonian, you never even take interim government, you torture your own sote, but La Republic, they did the worker, mountains. If not them, I no go waste 1 minute. I go blow a year. I go blow a year very clear. I go call the names. I go call their families. I go call them all out. I go call them. If not them, I no go waste time. I don't want to conclude, but I don't just talk. If not them, they just call the county and the interim government, they start apologize, and before me I go, if not them. Because this war not be for torture we are own. This war not be for torture we are own. So, thank you, Southern Cameroonians. Thank you, my fellow people. But before we round up for this thing, I want to take time for thank the interim government. Yeah. For I don't see the new appointees the way it don't come out. That's good. When we activists that we come out with humble so we see adjustment they put in place. It give we hopes like activists say really the revolution it waka. So we thank the new one the way they don't take their new position. We thank the whether the National Defense Council. We hope say all those one they no go can carry title the shidon. We will know the respect title, the respect na action. Yeah. For all una wanna name day for that list. More una know say the seat could be very hot for una. We go appreciate una for the job being done. And if you go and sleep, we'll call you out and ask for you to be replaced. This is Ambazonia, Southern Cameroon, where democracy was first practiced in Africa. That's it. Southern Cameroon, where only in a revolution, we don't play. If you don't work, we change you. We are not like La Republique, where Dictator Biya has been in power for decades and centuries. We are not. In Southern Cameroon, we lead democracy in Africa. Yeah, if you cannot deliver, you pack your bags and leave. Just in 4 years, power has shifted from 4 people. Tell you how democratic the nation will be when it comes into existence. Just in 4 or 5 years, from Barrister Bobala, to Patasang, to Seseku, and now, till President Sako. I will get some information. You want to give me 1 minute? So, you see how the powers, they move. Sammy, why say, please, don't run into conclusion. You are right. That's why I said I don't want to talk. But the woman talks, say, he see some of the boys, their faces. The woman talk them very well. So the security team, they will talk with the woman. They follow up with the woman for know the faces the way he see. The woman talk very well, say he see faces. So we know, we try to find out. We do one because that video will destroy the image of our county and many people who did sacrifice for this revolution. When I remember say, not be only the first case is that things the day where they don't happen where plenty people they go silent when they support this revolution. I remember a great supporter of Watana Wataye, Mama Edith Buma, when his brother be arrested for Bamenda by ADF for Alabukam, where they be asking brother 400,000, they take your brother a moto. If that woman not be strong, that woman for leave this revolution. There are many others. I don't tell when I say if we be the AXO, when I think say now who they help with for this revolution. You hear even all the others that they talk say now people who they did for inside Southern Cameroon for better places now they help this revolution may go forward. Or when I hear about intelligence and all others, when I say now all man like Biya, no. Not be all man, not be all Southern Cameroonian way. They know the show, they know the talk, they know the contribute. They know like they be against this revolution. Why this revolution is succeed now? Because plenty people where some of them, if you say they be black leg, they support this revolution. Yeah, plenty. So yeah, no, that one you know say ADF they don't detox the day for Fako, we follow. And even that the kidnapping and everything, we follow them. Because we, the Fako County, we don't distance ourselves. That's why I've told you, most of you here, don't be fast to call somebody black leg. Yes. Kidnapping for Fako, you don't make many people feel bad about this revolution. I didn't really ever take my time to apologize for them. Yeah. Now what we did, nobody were restoration forces. The one under the county. Yeah. And if you hear anything about kidnapping, say your brother, please don't waste time. My phone number is here. Try and call us. When I see us at the fight time. When I see us at the online, I don't just come on my own small bambe. I dare the fight time. Because we know. And as with the fight and so, may you two not go shidon. You know the support the revolution. Yes. May you two not go shidon. You know the support the revolution. Because as we do and so, support the revolution because tomorrow Let me see. I did get some information here. Reverend Asong, just leave that. Mona just do. I mean, I already come out. Yeah. If there's the voice or whoever, they there for back the FACO security as I did online, so they see the message. They did for back as I did talk for live, so they did the follow up for some voice note don't come as I did live here, so where they try for no they listen the voice for the person where you do the action, they come up for back. Yeah. So I just observe, I follow the message, and so they try for find out for know who do am. So as I talk here, so I see their messages, then for group way they try for get the information for the person where he do the act. Let's say some voice note and some things that don't come out for. Yeah. If anything, they go block. If you see anyone where you want me for block, I go block. And so Southern Cameroonians, now they think then that. So if you there for the diaspora, join your county and follow this revolution. Now for we all. When I see what it happen for La Republic, now Biada don't retire. If the one arranged now for a Pekin for take over. If you tell when I wait till the future go be. Just like how we don't tell when I say the government of Cameroon don't be a monarchy. I don't tell when I before. I don't tell when I say thing where Biada don't bilam. Nobody if he destroy them except we Southern Cameroonians through this war we fight. Most of una don't weakness. When I see we there for the county and LG and for build una hopes for make una not say Southern Cameroon go be the best place for we all. Now what we there I make una understand and say some small dirty things they go happen. Make una not take vex. Make una not take vex turn against your own destiny. As soon as they see we as a county in FACO with the struggle. FACO na the capital. For make sure say, may the enemy no pass through. Or may something not happen where it go destroy your hope and your destiny for tomorrow. There is no future in a one Cameroon. There is no future. The only future you have is in your own country, Southern Cameroons. That's where you have your own future. A country where your own dreams, your own education, you feel put them for practice. A country where your own talent no go be lost. A country where you go feel get a voice. And a country where democracy go be practiced. And tell una say, my people, most of una way I know say una don't be touched in one way or the other in this war. Either maybe your mommy don't be kidnapped, your brother this and that. Make una know say most of those atrocities we don't go where some of we will not know. And if we know, as a Chris don't tell una, we will come out, we talk them. If now our restoration fighters they don't do we go talk me they back the money back. If they don't, if now some two they don't do you, if one will not know where it already passed, my brother, my sister, no, so you don't pay your own price for freedom, but it no go happen again. So we want to tag the interim government for the new people where they don't appoint them, we don't see them where they don't come in, and one thing they say me they do a good job, and for the especially the National Self-Defense Council where they don't appoint them. Now for they work day because at the talk say this war today, people that they put money for their pocket, if the Self-Defense Council few wake up, straighten up themselves, that money where people that they go take them for ground, it could be put now for this war for get good utensils. So the work of that Self-Defense Council now for wake up, put eye on the ground, for make sure say if some 100 they come up for Southern Cameroon, may that 100 help now for push Southern Cameroon to victory. Make that one, they not be enough for person where they put them for a pocket. So Southern Cameroonians, I thank you now. Secretary Chris go to come small time live. I just come for do this small short video. Say we, the people of FACO, we distance ourselves from that kidnapping. We distance ourselves from that kidnapping of that woman. And please, if anything where they happen around you, if you get any problem, in regards to they don't take your mommy, they don't take your papa, my phone number there for this page. +45 71 52 0476. That's my number. No hesitate for call me. Me at the work now Bambe. When I never hear Sunday, I talk say some I don't get some 100 for this revolution. I can do this live video activism. I raise money. I still pay. Okay? I still pay. My Ambazonia Foundation. I hear some people, when I comment for some post the online, they go come on that can say, oh, Prince JK, I'm not making 1 penny. I don't get nothing. Nothing. As you did, so me a day. I don't benefit nothing for the revolution. I to just get the hopes. Say one day, Southern Cameroon go be free. So if something happen with you, no carry vex. Before you want move 100, call me. I know all people for ground. Before you want move 100 for your pocket, if they arrest you, this video where they talk this particular place, cut them. Whether not for whose side, for inside Southern Cameroon, whether not for Boyu, not for Menchum, not for any site where you did. If you detect on your person, before you want move 100, call this number, +45 71 52 04 76. Call this number, +45 71 52 04 76. Call that number. Call that number. I know all the security chief them. I go find out now so whether now you they wrong or now the boys then they wrong. If now you they wrong, then no so if you give them something for Makala. But if now them they wrong, they go definitely apologize, give you. Every person where you don't call me, if person don't come out with, they not take 100. Yeah, because if you not call, the restoration fighters, they go no say you know they for this revolution. The number now plus, ma put the number for here. Copy it down, give your mama them for ground, give all we are fight, all we are family them. All we would do for this revolution, nobody get for tire. Nobody get for feel discouraged. La Republic, their tactics, it don't fail. So, now the number this. That's the number. The number they come for under there, I think so. That's the number. That's my activist number. Call them or leave information. Then you go get me. You go get me. That's the number. That's the number. If anything happen with you, copy and share them for your WhatsApp. Share them for people. If anything happen with your family or any person they kidnap and before you want to give 1 penny, reach me for that number. I go link you with your county. I go link you with your LGA. I go link you with every person we are going for link with the National Self-Defense Council. We go link you up. May you table your matter. If now with the judiciary, I go help you. Make you they tell you whether now you did wrong or now you nobody support the revolution or now we did wrong. So that before any 1 penny one come out and make una not ever fear that statement where the dog say if you not send money, your person go die. Now lie. Don't ever fear. When you hear them call you, oh, if you don't send money, no, that statement, no ever fear them. Tell them, say, when I kill the person. No ever fear that statement if you are Southern Cameroon, except if you be La Republic. If you be La Republic, you talk so, no say you pay your own risks because their brothers, they kill their brother in for bush. But if you are Southern Cameroonian by blood, your placenta be buried. If they call you, say, hey, no, give money, tell them, say, I be Southern Cameroon, I come on for you. If you want to do them. Why you send me that number? They no fit try. They no fit. They no fit. So, make una stay blessed, stay safe, and don't give up on this revolution. Any La Republic tactics, we go destroy them. Follow this page. Follow me here. If anything they up, I go come. Follow this page, and don't forget, that number, they WhatsApp. Send me any details of any worries with any person you want to worry for ground. God bless you. Remember, all for one, one for all. That's our motto. I'm here for you. You too must be there for the revolution. We get for fight for the blood of our brothers then. Yes. I'm here for you and you too must be there for the revolution. We get for fight for our brothers the way they don't die and make sure say this revolution. Those people that don't go collect money for La Republic, it go hook them for their neck. Victory, we must get them. Make una have a blissful evening and don't forget, Secretary Chris Decam live small time. Make una not forget for joining and get revolutionary updates. God bless una and stay blessed. Have a great evening.